Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and right here we have to find this Google option. Here we have to go to the settings for Google Apps, Search Assistant and Voice, and right here we have to choose Google Assistant. Now right here we have to choose first option, Hey Google and Voice Match, and now we have to click on this button. Right here we have to agree a few times. And now as you can see, Hey Google is ready. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!